Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to find and access Meta AI on WhatsApp. So first is you have to open your WhatsApp application on your device and make sure to log in to your WhatsApp account. Now that you're here, just have to click on this icon, this one at the bottom right of your screen. And then right here, you'd be able to see here the option where it says Meta AI, where you can access it. So if you cannot find it right here, we'll try another way for you to access Meta AI. So I don't have that feature in this account. So the next thing you should do is you have to open any conversation with your friends or with your family, and then using the message box at the bottom is you just have to click on it and type out Meta AI. And then once you type these words in this message box, is you'd be able to see here a pop-up where it says Meta AI, where you can access and use it in this conversation. But if you cannot access it right here, is you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the WhatsApp application. So just go to your Play Store and then make sure to update your WhatsApp application. So you just have to search for WhatsApp, and if you can see an option where it says update, so you just have to click on it to get the latest version of the app. And then you just have to go back to WhatsApp and try the first two methods that we did. And then if still you cannot access the Meta AI, is you have to take note that Meta AI is not yet available in all region or country. So there are just selected countries where Meta AI is available, or even users. So not every users can access the Meta AI. So all you have to do now is you just have to wait until the Meta AI will be available on your WhatsApp account or WhatsApp application. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.